Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you all so very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. So today I am teaming up with my girl D Lovely, and we are both going to be cleaning out our closets. D Lovely, you guys, is such a sweetheart. I'm pretty sure you all will like her videos. So after you're done watching my video, head on over to her channel. I will leave a link to her channel in the description below. And once you're over there, let her know that you're coming from my channel. You guys, her vibe is so awesome. I just love her. But if you're coming over from her channel, hey and welcome. I hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up and then hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. So to begin, I am going to go ahead and start taking everything out of my linen closet.
If you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but your loving, it thrills me. I'll be there. Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me.
Now that I have everything out of my linen closet, I'm just going to go ahead and run the vacuum. And you guys, it was so dusty in here since it is the linen closet and all of the towels and sheets and everything, it gets pretty dusty. Now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off the baseboards. As you all can see, they were extremely dusty.
When I'm at home, I got no one to hold. Won't you tell me I'll be there?
I picked up these white containers from the container store, and I'm going to go ahead and store washcloths in them. And then I picked up this clear and red container from the container store also. And then these containers inside of here, I picked up from IKEA.
I just need your love, and I long for your touch. Won't you tell me I'll be there?
I'm just trying to figure out how I want these containers to go inside of the linen closet. This is the hot mess that came out of my tiny linen closet, you guys. I feel like I'm a hoarder. You see all of this crap?
Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope, yeah. Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you, you're my one and only. Like I told you, I'll be there. 'Cause if you get blue, I got the loving for you.
Now I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to go ahead and put into this IKEA container. I thought I was going to go ahead and put my sheet sets in them, but they were way too big. So all I ended up putting in there were extra pillowcases.
Yeah, I'll be there. Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope, yeah, yeah.
Into the red and clear containers, I'm going to go ahead and put throw blankets in both of those.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've realized
I do want to thank you also very much for watching. If you found this video motivating or enjoyed watching me clean, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with a friend or two that may need some cleaning motivation. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell, because I do post a cleaning video at least once a week. Also, you guys do not forget to check out D Lovely's video. Her link is down in my description box, but I'll talk to you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.